This is Jim Brown. If you don't already know him, he's the kind of bloke who'd rather spend a weekend on the sand than anywhere near a city. Fishing rod in one hand, coffee in the other, that's his idea of a good time. He's been doing this since he was a kid.
I started fishing when I was 4 years old. My old man used to wake me up and early in the morning say, do you want to go for a fish? And obviously I jumped out of bed that quick.
These days, the beach is where he resets. Most of his time is taken up running his painting business, but when he's not busy, he's out here on the sand where there's no rush and no noise, just fresh air, the tide, and the time to slow down and do things properly. While fishing's still the main reason he heads away, these trips have become about more than just the catch. Over time, Jim's managed to blend in another passion into these off-grid adventures: cooking. What started as a way to fill the time between bites has turned into something much bigger.
I really enjoy it. It's actually become probably the biggest part of the whole thing that I do, to be honest. And while the rod's out, quite often is when I'll cook, so it all comes together.
While most of us are happy to throw a few sausages on the gas cooker, Jim's the guy smoking fish he just caught, cranking the coals for a pork belly, or cooking sourdough fry bread. He reckons good food just makes a good trip better. And to be fair, he's not wrong. Ask Jim why he goes to the effort and you get a straight answer. Because it makes the trip memorable. The surf might not always deliver a big fish, but the food never lets anyone down. Jim's full setup took a few attempts to get perfect, but the back of his ute is now more organised than most kitchens. Everything's got its place and works exactly how he needs it to. Fridge, tackle, recovery gear, induction cooker, it's all there, ready to go. He can pull up anywhere, open the canopy, and have dinner underway in minutes. For Jim, these trips have really become a way of life. And his advice to anybody wanting to do similar trips?
Focus on getting a vehicle that will get you to these places and look after it, and you'll make so many memories. I've got so many memories, and you never forget that. So yeah, I think that's the biggest thing. Just get out there and do it. It doesn't matter what you've got, you'll really enjoy yourself.
The thing about Jim is he's built a lifestyle and a rig that fits perfectly for him. He works hard during the week, but he's never let that get in the way of the things that matter. Jim's built a life that lets him keep doing what he loves: fishing, cooking, and exploring the coastlines of New Zealand. One cast, one meal, one beach at a time, Jim continues to get stuff done and enjoy life's adventures.